Gaborone and I'm doing standard 6 at Boitumelo Primary School. And I have no question. I was asked to say a poem. The poem shall not be quoted by politicians nor hypocrites. The poem is entitled, That's My Boy, That's Your Boy, That's Our Boy. The poem is dedicated to His Excellency Duma Gideon Boko, President Advocate Duma Gideon Boko. You are to me like an angel. You are a stalwart. You are a catalyst to unite our nation. In rejoice, I dedicate the poem to you, my boy. From the dustries of the executive mafias, Boko mushroomed. Boko never succumbed. Boko never retreated. Up until the Red Hills, he climbed the mountaintop and shouted, Amanda! And the answer was, away to, which means the power to the people. That's my boy. That's your boy. That's our boy. Boko has witnessed a long, narrow path full of dangerous lions and mambas. The road to freedom is not easy. He preferred death and prison rather than to be overthrown. That's my boy. That's your boy. That's our boy. My poem cannot be complete unless I quote him saying, in times of crisis, that's when you should remain calm. That's why I tell them I chill in hellfire. I have gone through hellfire. And some of you have never gone through hell. I have gone down several times and down does not bother me no more. I close the quote. That's my boy. That's your boy. That's our boy. When my president speaks English with excellent diction, do not open your long dictionary. Do not think Oxford no Google. I refer you to this little brain to help you comprehend. I am from Bodwell answer. I quote, Clausula Rebusic Standabas. I say, Clausula Rebusic Standabas. I repeat, Clausula Rebusic Standabas. That's my boy. That's your boy. That's our boy. Thank you.